Fiona, the florist. You and your sister are my last hope.
What's the matter, Miss Fiona?
It's my sign.
If you're missing letters around here, we'll find it.
So please don't cry.
Oh, I'm not crying. I'm allergic to all these flowers.